Welcome to another Fun Fact Friday with CadeMarq Law. Did you know about Jewel Plummer Cobb? Did you know that she was born January 17, 1924, in Chicago, Illinois? Did you know that she was a cell biologist, educator, and researcher who discovered effective treatments for skin and other types of cancers? You see, she was the only child of Frank V. Plummer and Carabelle Cole Plummer. Her mother, Carabelle, was a physical education and dance teacher, and her father was the first Black person to graduate with a Doctor of Medicine from Cornell University, becoming a physician specializing in dermatology. Plummer's paternal grandfather was a freed slave who graduated from Howard University in 1898. He made a living as a pharmacist. As a result, her people had more money than most people of color at the time, and Cobb's economically privileged upbringing offered her a childhood of intellectual exploration. From her father's scientific library to her education at several multiracial institutions, she developed an interest in learning from a young age. Although she anticipated becoming a physical education teacher like her mother, her interest in science solidified during her sophomore year of high school, while she was looking through a microscope in biology class. This interest was encouraged by her biology teacher. This led her to earn a degree in biology from the historically Black Talladega College in Alabama, a master's degree in 1947, and a doctoral degree in 1950 in cell physiology from NYU. From very early on in her career, she was interested in understanding the processes of living cells and researched melanomas, a type of cancer. Her research focused on skin pigment and how melanin can protect the skin from ultraviolet damage, and studied the differences between normal and cancerous pigment cells. Her groundbreaking research contributed to the field of chemotherapy by exploring how hormones and chemicals affected cancer cells and caused changes in cell division. In the simplest of terms, her research directly led to treatments for skin cancer. Treatments we still use today. Did you know that in addition to saving millions of lives with her cancer research, she also had a long and illustrious academic career? Shorty taught everywhere. From 1952 to 1954, she taught at the University of Illinois. She went on to teach at her alma mater, NYU, and at Hunter College in New York from 1956 to 1960, at Sarah Lawrence College after that, Connecticut College after that, Rutgers University after that, and in 1981 became president of California State University. Not only was Shorty Professor X with the chalkboard, she was keen to provide opportunities in research for Black students and Black women in particular. Did you know she organized tutoring for students, especially in math, to prepare them for careers in sciences, and worked with colleges to find funding for grants and fellowships for Black students interested in careers in science? Did you know she received the 1993 Lifetime Achievement Award from the National Academy of Science for the advancement of women and underrepresented minorities? Did you know that she's been awarded numerous honorary degrees? And speaking of degrees, did you know that Cobb's mother went back to college, enrolling at the same time as Cobb, resulting in both mother and daughter earning their college degrees in the same year? Did you know any of this? Well, now you do. Jewel Plummer Cobb, a pioneer of skin cancer research and treatment, the lifelong student of biology, the woman who nurtured and educated Black minds, saved millions with her cancer research, and put even Professor X to shame with her lectures. The subject of our Fun Fact Friday. Protect your brand. Grow your business. CadeMarq Law, Fun Fact Friday.